Happy birthday, Uncle Papa. Happy birthday, Uncle Papa.
Birthday, Papa. Sana maging masaya ka sa kaarawan mo. Enjoy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa Nanding. I wish good health, long life, sana all. Happy birthday ulit, Uncle Papa.
Hi, Tinanding! Happy birthday! Naway mapapabuhay mo. Happy birthday! God bless!
Birthday, sana kapitin ka parang madaming mataril ka birthday. Malakas.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi Ninong, miss you. Happy 72 birthday. At sana ay maging malusog lalo kayo at gumaling at walang karamdaman at sana ay lumaki pa kayo. God bless. Wish you, love you.
Tiyo Nanding, happy birthday po. Sana po ay mabuhay po kayo hanggat gusto nyo pa para mahaba pa po ang inyong buhay. Saka po, pag may time kayo po ay pumasyal dito sa Mindoro ng Tia Julie. Happy birthday po.
Happy 72 birthday to you, Nanding. Ayun, mula sa aming family. Ayan, our family. Wala family ayun, Then, ayun, wish ko sa'yo is, syempre, good health. Kain ng masusustansya para mas humaba ang buhay. Enjoy lang natin ang buhay. Lagi tayong mag-smile para mas lalo tayong bumabata. Yun lang, mag-iingat palagi, stay safe, and God bless.
Happy birthday to you, Nanding. Wish po namin sa'yo. Siyempre, yung good health. Lagi kayong mag-iingat. Happy birthday.
We're gonna sing for you a happy birthday song. Happy birthday, Kuya Nanding. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang bati. Happy birthday, Kuya Nanding. You're turning 72 years old. Hoping na mas maging malakas ka. Salamat sa Diyos. Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Nanding. Pagpalain kayo ng Diyos.
Happy birthday, tatay.
Happy birthday, tatay. Happy birthday, tatay.
Happy birthday, tatay. God bless you. Nasa'yo mo, tatay. God bless you.
God bless you. God bless you.
Love you, tatay.
Love you, tatay.
Tatay na.
Birthday po, Tatay Leonardo Atesas. Palain po kayo ni Lord at magkaroon po kayo ng mahabang buhay hanggang 100 years. Bigyan po kayo ng karagdagan lakas at iiwas sa anumang sakit. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sakripisyo sa amin at sa pag-aalaga sa mga apo. Once again, happy birthday, Tatay! Mama, chup chup!
A blessed happy birthday, tatay. We love you. Mama, chup chup.
Happy birthday!
Ang mensahe ko kay tatay nila, nadagdagan pa yung buhay.